Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age, and I wanted to do an outfit inspiration video for you featuring casual outfits that will really bring up your style game for autumn. I'm going to have several chic looking outfits for you, and I really know that accessories, they play a big part, so I'm going to have bags and boots and shoes for you with every outfit. Well, of course I'll have the shoes, but anyway. All right, another thing is a lot of these outfits, they can be transitioned from a warmer kind of hot day to the cooler evening. So let's get started with outfit number one. This look brings a lot of the trends for 2024, including a vest and the plaid pattern design on the blazer. The vest underneath can be worn on its own for times you're outside and it's hot, and it's only $32, and it can be adjusted at the back. The lined blazer can go with just about anything for $40 because last time I checked it was 17% off. And it can be a staple in your wardrobe for years to come. I'm wearing the fabulous Rakuchi stretch pants for $49. Yep, they're on sale as well. And they come in short, tall, and regular sizing. They're perfect for fall and winter. These lovely faux suede ankle boots are $60. Again, 39% off last time I checked. And my Michael Kors purse and trendy sunglasses polish off the look. And of course, this fabulous necklace by Lucky Brand really adds a little something something for $49. And if you're looking for fashion tips from a former model who feels like you could be styling at any age, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget to click on the bell, and then you'll get to see my newest videos. All right, let's take a look at outfit number two. Here's an easy to wear outfit that can go from a hot afternoon to a cool evening. And ponchos or blanket wrapped shawls are trending. Here I'm wearing a favorite pair of Lee jeans, which last time I checked were on sale at 55% off at just $20. They're stretchy and they have a pull-in waist, plus they're available in petite, regular, and tall sizes. My shade is Infinity. On top, I have a black lacy top for $15, 23% off, and it goes to size 3X. And this poncho is so versatile for $29. You can keep it in a large handbag or in the back seat of your car from wherever you need it. It comes in 37 other colors and patterns, and since this outfit is great for all day excursions or festivals, I added my stainless steel water bottle and this terrific bottle bag for just $18. The ankle boots are the same as my first outfit, and this fashionable black hat really tops off the look and keeps the sun off for $47. And don't forget that I'll have most of the information on the outfits and the pieces that I'm modeling underneath the video description and also in the comments. And by the way, you can always go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 to find my favorites, everything from makeup to moto jackets. And by the way, I know I have a lot of Canadian viewers here, and the storefront is amazon.com, but what I find is there's so many items there, and they do deliver to Canada, and even with a bit of a delivery charge, you know, I find that they are really, really affordable. So you might want to take a look at that. And also, if you're from another country, when you're on my storefront on amazon.com, just look in the upper left-hand corner and you can change your country. And for outfit number three, denim is really trending for fall 2024. And this outfit combines a denim long sleeve shirt for $38 along with wide leg NYDJ jeans for $44. Last time I checked, 63% off on these. Now you can wear the wide leg jeans since I think they're here to stay for a while. But it's important that you style them right. And since the denim top and jeans gives almost a monotone look under the blazer, it works. The blazer is by CC Bell for $42, and I actually have it in 3 other colors. I've got a great pair of genuine leather ankle boots on for $80 and a large genuine leather bag for $90 that could hold lots of items from fall fairs and markets. And don't forget, whenever you order online, know your measurements and check it with the size chart for every item. It's so important. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where I'm going to have an inspirational message for you on self-esteem, self-confidence as you're on this aging journey. All right, let's take a look at outfit number 4. Now, sometimes we want to feel comfy and casual, but we still want to look chic, and this outfit really steps up your style game. The vest look is trending, and this tweed kind of material is perfect for pants or a skirt for just $44. I'm wearing a simple black top underneath and a stretchy pencil skirt for just $20. I'm also wearing tights and those same faux suede ankle boots for $60. My absolute favorite Bagolini purse is just $50. I'm happy to say it's on sale right now for 33% off. It's small, but it has lots of compartments. I've got my fold-up Ray-Bans on, and this outfit helps me to look like I'm aging with attitude. And by the way, if you're looking for hoop earrings that are really popular right now, I love these ones. Why do I love them? Because they actually have backs on them, so they're so easy to get on and off. You know, I've got a couple of pairs of the ones where you kind of have to find the snap and snap them in, and I'm not going back. These ones are just fantastic. And they're just $14, and they have 14 karat gold plating on them. All right, let's take a look at the next outfit. Now, leather jackets with built-in hoodies are trending, but you can do this look quite easily, and if the trend fades, you can still have a great jacket and hoodie that will never go out of style. I did this trending look with a faux leather moto jacket that looks like the real deal for just about $55. I just put on a black hoodie underneath to make it trendy, and you can get a great black hoodie from Hanes, and last time I checked it was 29% off for just $17. I'm wearing a pair of Yogi Paste pants for $34, and they come in petite, regular, and tall sizing. These are great walking pants, and I love how they have the boot cut. And the shoes I'm wearing underneath are by Skechers, and they're called Breathe Easies. So comfy to wear when I'm walking the dog, and the elastic laces make them easy to take on and off. The last time I checked, they were 28% off for $54 and available in many colors. Now, although a lot of us get a fresh start on New Year's Day, I think that fall, it could be a new start as well. And I think that's because I really remember when I started school, you know, that back to school day, how I had a brand new outfit. You know, I think when the air is a little crisper and we can wear like another layer or two, it's a great time to find a new item, maybe one or two that you can add to your fall wardrobe. It's a way to kind of jumpstart yourself and get ready for autumn. So as the days get cooler, let's put on an outfit that we feel great in. Let's check our look in the mirror and say, I'm really rocking this look. And you know what? That kind of confidence, it goes a long, long way throughout the day. So say to yourself, I look good. I feel good. And for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.